Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the language in your Microsoft Edge web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Edge web browser and select the menu icon up at the top right corner. It should be indicated by three dots all next to each other. So go ahead and left click on that and go down and select Settings. On the left side, select the languages, and then on the right side underneath preferred languages, you can select the add languages button here to go ahead and add your custom language. So let's just go ahead and actually just select a different dialect of English here and then select add. Once that's done, you would select the three-dot icon next to the preferred language of choice, and you would move that to the top. And then you also would go back and select the three-dot icon again, and where it says display Microsoft Edge in this language, make sure that is checkmarked in there. You may have to restart your browser for the change to take effect. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.